All right, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving headfirst into the restoration of a true American muscle legend, the 1968 Pontiac GTO, also known as the Judge. But let me warn you, this isn't a car, it's a disaster on wheels. Faded paint, rust holes, and an engine that probably hasn't turned over since disco was cool. Can we bring it back to life? Stick around because the ending will blow your mind. Let's see what we're working with. The Verdoro green paint job is now, well, Verdoro rust. The iconic GTO grille, missing teeth. And the engine bay? It's more of a rodent condo than a horsepower haven. But hey, challenges make the victory sweeter, right? Step 1. Strip it down to the bones. We removed everything. Panels, seats, engine parts until we were left with a rusty shell. Sanding off decades of neglect felt like scraping off layers of regret. And don't even get me started on the moldy carpet. Let's just say we wore masks for a reason. Now for the heart of the beast, the 400 cubic inch V8 engine. We rebuilt it piece by piece, cleaning, polishing, and replacing what we couldn't save. And when we fired it up for the first time, goosebumps. That low growl reminded us why the GTO is a muscle car legend. For the body, we gave it a fresh coat of its original Verdoro green with black rally stripes. Watching the paint go on was pure satisfaction. It's like seeing life return to something you thought was lost forever. Add in chrome bumpers and polished wheels, and now we're talking perfection. The time has come. We've rebuilt the interior with black leather seats, a restored dashboard, and a new wood grain steering wheel. The car is complete. But will it drive like a GTO should? Let's find out. There it is. That iconic growl is music to my ears. And on the road, it doesn't just drive, it glides. The power, the style, the sheer presence. It's everything you dream of in a classic car. This GTO isn't just restored, it's reborn. From a forgotten wreck to a street legend, this 1968 Pontiac GTO reminds us that every car deserves a second chance. What should we restore next? Drop your suggestions in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic transformations.